Hey everyone, today we have an Assa Scandinavian lock. It's a 5-pinner. Just show you guys that it's locked up. Yep. There we go. I'm gonna try and get it SPP'd for y'all. There we go. As you can see, it's been picked. Just move the camera down a little bit for y'all to see the pins. Just take it out of its vise. Right, so I've had this lock for about a month and a half. I've never been able to get it picked till the other night, but I've been waiting till today to get it on camera because I've not had much time to even film or do anything. Let's get my just use this little pen. Hopefully it will fit. Hoping so anyway. Just about, yep. Okay, so I'm just zoom in. Take a better look at that, how it is. Okay, so the first pin, standard. Okay, that looks a pretty nasty keeping. I'll just take them all out and I can show you. Some key pins, what spewed. I've got any counter milling? Don't think I have. Can't see any, so no counter milling. Alright, let's see what's in number 1. Alright, so that's a standard. That's a crazy nasty pin, I'll show you that in a minute. Another one. Christmas tree spools there, guys. Ironic being Christmas. And yeah, that's it. And the rest are just springs in there. Show you guys what they are now. Alright, so set them up properly for you. So we have normal keeping. Looks like a mushroom keeping. Another one, and another standard. We have a standard on the 5th chamber, and I think these are Christmas tree pins, but correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's the name of them ones, and that's a standard driver as well. Yeah, so that's the it's an Assa Scandinavian lock, SPP'd. Thanks for watching, people, and yeah, till next time. And just a quick note, the box will be on its way to Richie tomorrow, first thing, and I have picked all those locks, and the pictures are on the UK Lock Sport forum, guys. So yeah, cheers for watching once again.